Hi everybody, this is the Fixer, and I will show you how to fix your project. If it shows all black, you put a video or a picture on your AVS video editor and it shows all black when you're playing the video or your own picture when you're trying to edit something, but it's not showing nothing like this. I will show you how to fix that. Okay, I want you to exit out. Don't save it. So this is a software called AVS Video Editor. Okay, for Windows 10, I don't like Windows 10 that much because Google Chrome don't work well. It keeps loading, I don't know why. But right now I'm using Firefox. But like I was saying, for Windows 10, just type in computer. Go to this PC. Now I want you to go to local disk C or local disk D. First go to C. Now there's two of them I like, program files and program files x86. Just click on one of them. Now search for AVS. Nothing. So for sure they will have on program files x86. Just go back and just go to program files x86. Now search for AVS, and all the AVS you have in there, just highlight them all with your mouse all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Delete. Just press this check, do this for all current items, and press continue. Just press all of them. Skip this one, maybe. Skip some if you can. But you just keep trying, you know. Just press do this for all current items and just keep trying. Says item not found. So if you can't, you just press skip. Skip. Press do this all this and press skip. Some of them I couldn't delete. I don't know why. Let's go back to computer. Oh, I know why. Because you have to if don't delete it because you didn't uninstall the software. So just go to uninstall on your Windows 10, add or remove program. Search for AVS, uninstall. Well, I can't uninstall because I think I deleted it that way. Okay, it's okay. Now, my Google Chrome not working. I don't know why Windows 10 doesn't let me use Google Chrome, but oh well, that's life. Firefox. On Firefox, just go to Yahoo or Google.com, don't matter. Type in AVS editor. Look for the main one. Mostly I use Yahoo, but I could use, just go here where it says avsu.com. This is the one. It will look like this, guys, if you guys don't get confused. The newest one is 9.0. Just press download now. Just save the file. For Firefox is different than Google Chrome. It will download up here. So as you can see, it's downloading. It's a big file. It's 155 MB. Take like a minute, 4 seconds. it should be done in 1 minute. So it's 50 seconds, my bad. Let me check if it's done. My internet went slower, so it's just 1 minute, 2 seconds. I got Comcast. I don't know why it's going that slow. I might check out Frontier in the future. This is going slow. For now, let me just go back in computer. This PC. Let's go to local D. I don't use local D that much, but local D, I have a lot of AVS too from the past. So if you can, just try delete them all. Just wait. Just scroll down all the way down, delete it. If you can, just skip it. Skip. Or press this and be faster. Okay, let's see if I download the file. Yep. Now press on Firefox, press this. Somehow Firefox works. Sorry about that. Somehow Firefox works better on Windows 10 than Google Chrome. I think Microsoft is blocking Google Chrome. I'm not sure for Windows 10. Okay, now after that, just press OK. Next. Just accept it. Just go next. Install. And this should work. If it doesn't work, you might have a malware. Virus or malware. Mostly it's malware. So you gotta do use malware bytes to scan it. Somehow I like Windows 7 more than Windows 10. I don't know why. Too much rules. I don't like. Windows 10 feels like Apple, and I don't like Apple computers. You know, too many rules. I don't like too many rules. I like it a little bit more freely. You know. So right now we're just waiting to install. It's a big file, so it takes long, you know. You gotta wait. Let me move this up here. Well, I can't even move it. Okay. Just saying finish installation. Sorry about that, guys. It's taking a little long. Okay. Once it's done, took a little long on my computer. Launch AVS. Just press finish and press this check. Launch AVS video editor. It should start. This will pop out. Just press X, or you can buy it for $59, I think. Now let's test out my picture or video. Now is not, the project is not dark no more. You could see you should see the video when you play it, when you're editing your video for your whatever project you're doing. So as you can see, it's working. Let me see if I can put another picture or video. See, you can see the project. It should show now. Another thing, if it doesn't work, just download on download.com. Just download Malwarebytes. That might fix it. And the last thing, just go. I wouldn't recommend it, but just go to System Restore. Just click here, create restore point, and go back in time. First uninstall AVS editor, and then go over System Restore. That might work. Thanks for watching. This is Uninstalling the Fixer. See you later.